Picture this, you're 13, standing in a sweltering Pittsburgh textile factory at 6 a.m. Your fingers bleed from tying cotton threads for 12 brutal hours. You just fled Scotland with your family, escaping starvation, only to find bone-crushing poverty waiting in America. You earn $1.20 a week, barely enough for oatmeal. This isn't historical fiction. It's Monday morning for Andrew Carnegie in 1848. Most factory kids collapsed on their one day off, too exhausted to imagine anything better. But Carnegie discovered Colonel Anderson's library, a modest room with just 400 books that opened to working boys on Saturdays. Carnegie walked there straight from the factory, still wearing his oil-stained apron, and found pure oxygen. He devoured books on history, engineering, and mythology. He wasn't just reading, he was building an escape tunnel in his mind, brick by brick. While other workers accepted their fate as permanent, Carnegie taught himself Morse code by candlelight after those backbreaking shifts. He asked questions. He made connections. He became the fastest telegraph operator in Pittsburgh because he had trained his brain to sprint while others slept. That self-educated teenager didn't just become the richest man in the world. He spent his fortune building 2,500 libraries because he had cracked the code. Education isn't something you finish in school. It's the weapon that breaks every chain and rebuilds your reality.